Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Filing a claim in small claims court can seem intimidating, but it's designed for regular people to resolve disputes without a lawyer. This court handles cases involving smaller amounts of money, typically ranging from a few $1,000s up to $25,000, depending on your state. First, you need to figure out if your case belongs here. Are you suing someone for money they owe you? For example, did a contractor do a bad job? Does your landlord owe you a security deposit, or did someone damage your property? If it's about money and the amount is under your state's limit, you're likely in the right place. The next step is to identify exactly who you are suing. You need the defendant's correct legal name and address. For a person, this is straightforward. For a business, you might need to look up their official registered name on your state's Secretary of State website. Suing the wrong entity can get your case thrown out. Once you know who to sue, you must find the right court. You generally file your lawsuit in the county where the defendant lives or where the incident that caused the dispute happened. You can't just pick any court you like. Check your local county court's website for the correct location. Now it's time for paperwork. You'll need to fill out a form, usually called a complaint or statement of claim. On this form, you'll briefly explain what happened, why the other person is at fault, and exactly how much money you are seeking. Be clear and stick to the facts. You can get these forms online from the court's website or in person from the court clerk's office. After filling out the forms, you'll file them with the court clerk and pay a filing fee. This fee varies by location, but if you have a low income, you can ask the court for a fee waiver. Once filed, you must officially notify the defendant that they are being sued. This is called service of process. You cannot serve the papers yourself. You must use a third party, like a county sheriff, a professional process server, or sometimes certified mail, depending on your court's rules. Proper service is critical. If you don't do it right, the case can't move forward. Finally, prepare for your court date. The court will schedule a hearing where you both get to tell your side of the story to a judge. Gather all your evidence like contracts, receipts, photos, emails, and text messages. Organize them neatly. If you have witnesses, make sure they are available to come to court. Practice explaining your case simply and directly. Following these steps will help you navigate the process. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more legal tips and guides.